Good morning guys, once again and welcome to another vlog. It's right now 9:15 in the morning. Now yesterday's vlog was a lot of fun because I went out with friends, it was raining, we enjoyed at the beach and a lot of other things. वापस आने के बाद we were all very tired and we were probably watching a movie and then we all went to sleep. So now is when I've woken up. As you remember, परसों हम बराबर से सोए नहीं थे तो अभी नींद पूरी हो चुकी है, 9:15 बज गए. तो आज का व्लॉग थोड़ा सा लेट होगा लेकिन अभी जल्दी व्लॉग को एडिट करते हैं और इसी के साथ साथ स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का दिन. अब ये कल या परसों मुझे निकलना है फॉर राजस्थान. So today and tomorrow I have to shoot all day, and as far as the live streams are concerned, what I've decided is that once I'm back from my native place, that is Rajasthan, I will start live streams just like vlogs. So every day now there are vlogs coming, so live streams will happen every day as well. That means there will be consistency and you'll be getting better content and consistent content. So it's exactly 1 o'clock right now. आज breakfast भी काफी late हुआ है and start of the day थोड़ा late हुआ है. Morning vlog is uploaded, so go ahead and check it out. And at the same time, I have finally inserted one of my SIM cards in the Poco X3 Pro, and today is a big day. We're going to make a video on Realme UI for the Poco X3 Pro. I've told you that there are a lot of bugs which will not allow you to use this as a daily driver, but the complete video will be very interesting. At least now I'm getting network, and if I try to make some calls, let's see here, I'll try it on camera right now. Okay, hello? Yeah, so calling at least is working, texting at least is working, Wi-Fi has been working fine. There's not much of errors that you will notice while using this ROM. You will every now and then get this हाथ में लग गई यहाँ पे, I don't know what, शायद पूजा करने के बाद छोटा सा कट लग गया. Anyways, so Realme UI को शूट करते हैं. Iqoo 11 की डील हो चुकी है, आज या कल ये पिकअप हो जाएगा. एंड जैसे कि मैंने बताया था, कल शाम की मेरी टिकट है, so I'm leaving for Rajasthan for a couple of days. I should be back to Mumbai by Sunday. But don't worry, all these videos that come in the evening along with shorts will come regularly. At the same time, vlogs में आपको थोड़ा अलग देखने मिलेगा. I will be going to my native place. I'll show you my village. वहाँ पे भी बारिश हुई है तो it's going to be very beautiful. अब फिलहाल के लिए आज का दिन और कल का दिन काफ़ी busy होने वाला है for videos because I have to shoot 6 to 7 different videos, shorts and a lot of things. So I will keep showing you these behind the scenes scenarios wherein back-to-back shoots के टाइम पे क्या होता है. And as I said earlier as well, live streams एक बार हम वापस आ जाए उसके बाद रेगुलर लाइव स्ट्रीम्स भी स्टार्ट करेंगे. Okay, today is Monday, so I usually go to Lord Shiva's temple on Monday. तो आज भी मंदिर जाएंगे. Okay, we had come to this water area for some work. कुछ विसर्जन करना था and afternoon time है, so मंदिर तो हो गया बंद. Now what we need to do is we'll probably go home, have lunch and continue shooting. I've already shot a couple of reels and one video. Bike में fuel भी कम है, यहाँ पे पानी जा रहा है and I think यहाँ पे से हल्का there is oil leakage as well. So once we are back, we're gonna get this wrapped again. यहाँ पे you can see this color going off, ये color निकल रहा है. So 2 साल के ऊपर हो गया इस रैप को. These rusty areas, all of this is going to be fixed. We've got to make her brand new. Probably दिवाली पे करेंगे जब the bike will complete 5 years at that time. Okay, so a quick status update. It's 10 o'clock in the night and finally the Iqoo 11 is sold. So we are going right now to give the phone. It's around 20 to 25 kilometers from here. So जाने आने में 11 साढ़े 11 बज जाएंगे. Today's day was pretty productive. We've been able to finalize a lot of topics which I'll be able to shoot tomorrow. So there is a lot of interesting content that is planned for you guys along with daily vlogs. And thanks to my friend Supriyansh, who's also editing our videos these days. He's going to be probably our editor for a long time now. Let's see. And he suggested content which is related to gaming, PCs, Weeb, anime series, different things. So we are not really sticking just to phone content. We are moving to different kinds of family stuff and tech knowledge that everyone can consume. So for now, I'll get on the bike. I will carry the GoPro to capture whatever footage I can capture and tell you this part of the story. And once I get back, I might or might not record to end the video, but tomorrow will be a hectic day, and tomorrow's vlog will be shorter and more interesting because tomorrow night is when I start traveling towards Rajasthan to show you this beautiful place, which is my native place in the season of rains. Din mein Kratos, raat mein Kratos. Now it's late, but I didn't want to risk tomorrow's day because मुझे काफ़ी वीडियो शूट करने हैं कल, and अभी Iqoo की डील हो जाए तो it's better because I can focus on what device to buy next. ओके सो द Iqoo 11 इज़ फाइनली गॉन. काफ़ी चेक किया है इन लोगों ने, आधा घंटा लगा दिया. अभी ऑलरेडी 11:30 हो गए. आई डोंट नो गोप्रो की बैटरी कितनी है. काफ़ी, आई थिंक 60-70% बैटरी. सी दिस इज़ द एडवांटेज ऑफ शूटिंग एट 1080p, be it DSLRs, smartphones or anything. 1080p is good enough for most screens, and it saves space, saves your battery, doesn't heat up your device. Chalo, let's get back home. Okay, so the time is 12:08. The Iqoo is gone, and what I'm going to use for the next few days is, let me show you actually, this guy, the Poco X3 Pro, and we've just stopped. Ice cream खाने का मन है, so we've stopped at a shop. We'll have some ice cream and go to sleep. I will probably get to sleep for 6 hours. 6 बजे उठ जाऊँगा मैं, ताकि सुबह के 6 से शाम के 6, 12 घंटा मुझे टाइम मिले जिसमें आई हैव टू शूट. एंड उसके बाद 9 o'clock in the night we are going to start traveling.